My name's Eric Harris. I'm the director of winemaking here at 2 East Winery and also one of the owners. So we're big fans of fixed top tanks. The Speidel tanks are our favorites. We have a few others, but they're the simplest to clean. I love the inside walls of these tanks. They spray down with very little effort. With this finish, with the 2R finish, it sprays right off. Even with cold water, I can knock down tartrates without a whole lot of effort. Cleaning time is something that really opens up a lot of opportunity costs for a winery. If you don't have to have people spending hours and hours cleaning a tank, if it's only maybe a half an hour, you can open the door up to more lab testing, more focus on quality control. And that's one of the things that I love about these tanks. We've ordered a lot of variable capacity tanks. We've had some 580 gallon tanks, 1100 gallon tanks are really great. We've got a 1700 gallon square tank that is really efficient for volume. Behind me are some 3700 gallon tanks that are custom designed specifically for the winemaking that we do here. And so we had Speidel put in specific reinforced ports for mixing motor, for connecting several different pumps for different parts of the process, managing our cross-flow connections. The manways are really solid construction. When I close it, I don't have uneven gaps that I need to adjust. I don't really need to crank it too hard down because all the bracketry and assembly is very solid and well thought out, so that when it seals, I can confidently know that it's closed up. I'm not gonna have a leak. I'm not gonna have any contamination problems. The jackets on the tanks are, one could say over-engineered, but I feel like it's a fail-safe in place. So I can confidently run them at a higher pressure if I need to, which is important because I don't want to have a repair bill and I don't want to have downtime on my tanks. It's important to me that a drain works, and the drain ports on these tanks leave nothing behind. These are always going to drain, they're easily cleaned, and the nice thing about them is there's always a little depression in the conical bottom of the tank that makes sure that you don't have that last burp of gas coming through. So you'll always have a clean exit of wine when you empty a tank. They're just really nice. I've worked with tanks at other wineries. I've worked with other tanks here. And the reason that I continue to buy Speidel tanks is because of just the build quality. I am never worried about a weld being unsanitary. They're always very clean. My favorite parts of the Speidel tanks over any of the others are build quality and ease of cleaning, ease of use.